Carol McGiffin has hit out at lazy Brits for eating takeaways instead of cooking at home. The Loose Women star, 62, discussed the UK obesity crisis in her latest magazine column, putting the blame with people who choose convenience when it comes to food. 2. Carol slammed lazy Brits for ordering takeaways instead of cooking credit, McKay/ITV/Shutterstock. Carol said, "In a few years' time the UK will finally be the biggest and the best at something, as it's set to take the #1 slot in the European Obesity League. Currently we're only in 3rd place." Claiming that the government pushed food delivery apps during lockdown, Carol insisted people must take responsibility for their behavior. She added to best, "It's not all down to the pandemic and food delivery apps. There's an element of laziness involved as well, especially when it comes to cooking, which isn't helped by convenience foods like ready meals. Times are going to get tough, with food and energy prices rising and soaring inflation." Carol finished, "In order to survive, something is going to have to give, and first to go has to be takeaways. It comes after Carol revealed her annoyance over one of her Loose Women co-stars' annoying habits with their fake nails. Outspoken Carol said on the ITV panel show, "Do you know what I hate? Someone who works on this show, not mentioning any names, is constantly doing this." She then tapped her nails on the desk. "Oh my God, that noise," Carol shrieked. "That clickety-click. I just can't stand long nails." 2. It comes after Carol revealed an annoying habit of one of her co-stars' credit, McKay/ITV/Rex.